Do you ever feel like you need to train for the workout before you can even start it? I mean, you know what I'm saying? Say, for example, you click a video or an exercise video and boom, there are burpees, mountain climbers, and someone yelling, no excuses. And you're thinking, I just want to make it through the grocery store and be able to carry my grocery bag. If that's you, you're not lazy. You just haven't found a workout that gets you. Hey, I'm Andy. I'm 77. I'm a certified fitness instructor, and I created the 5BX60 program after decades of using and tweaking the original 5BX workout that gained fame with the Air Force. Air Force pilots were using it to help stay in shape. I'm also a cancer survivor. Why do I share that? Because I know what it's like to rebuild, and I know it's possible to come back stronger. So these days, I help folks over 60 to get moving, get stronger, and feel good again. And it doesn't matter where you're starting from, you're in the right place. Most people want to exercise, but here's what's stopping them. They don't know where to start. Everything looks like it's all for 25-year-olds with, six packs and zero joint pain. They're afraid of getting hurt. Or they think that maybe they need a gym or some expensive equipment, but you don't. You need a program that just meets your needs, that helps you build from there. That's what 5BX60 is. 5 exercises, 11 minutes, that's it. We've modernized it with strength, balance, and low impact and chair-based moves. Go to 5BX60.com and check out the chart. Pick the level that feels right for you. No pressure, just progress, one day at a time. And while you're here, hit that subscribe button. I drop new videos every week to help you stay stronger and motivated. So let's talk about upper body strength because, we need it more than ever. Groceries, doors, grandkids, upper body power matters. Here are 3 moves that I love, and you can do these standing, sitting, or on a balance ball. In the last video, I discussed selecting the right weight and in detail. And my best advice is just to start light and move your way up. Let's start with bicep curl. Curl the weights up and then lower with control. Helps with everyday lifting, lateral raises, arms start down, then up and out to the side and back. This is an exercise that is great for shoulder strength, posture, and overall well-being. The shoulder press, push those weights overhead, total upper body power, starting light, focus on form. Trust me, you'll feel the difference. Let's talk about balance. Most falls don't come from weakness, they come from losing balance. That's why I love this drill so much. It's this simple circle of balance blocks. I walk them almost daily. They're just low raised stepping platforms. You can get them online or at 5BX60.com. And here's what they do. They challenge balance. They challenge coordination and proprioception. That's your brain's ability to know where your body is in space. Now, most falls in older adults result from losing balance, so this kind of work is essential to stay steady, safe, and independent. And here's how to use them. Just start walking over the blocks 1 foot at a time, arms out for balance. Go at your own pace. Once it gets easier, try turning your head from side to side or walking backwards slowly. And if you're confident and supported, even close your eyes briefly. It's simple. It works. It's kind of fun. Oh, I want to talk to you about the jump rope challenge. All ready for something playful? Let's talk about the Beat Andy Jump Rope Challenge. I do 100 jumps a day. Rope, no rope, toe taps, it all counts. Just move your body and have fun. And please feel free to leave a comment and tell me how many you did today. And let's cheer each other on. You know, getting fit doesn't have to be scary. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. It's a few minutes a day. It can change everything. So while you're here, hit that subscribe button. New videos are every week to help you stay strong, stay motivated. And I'll see you in the following video. Until then, stay strong and keep moving.